Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Killer little car, guys. It's got all the Z28 trim on it, guys, but it is not a real Z28. Matter of fact, this is an automatic car. All Zs in this year came with a 4-speed. It's also got air. Zs did not have air in them in 69. Beautiful car, actually older restoration, but very, very well maintained. Car was restored 15 years ago. A gentleman said it only has a couple thousand miles on it since it's been done, and it shows it, guys. Beautiful car. It's finished in LeMans blue. It was originally, I believe, a glacier blue, which is a lighter blue than this. But you can see it's got the steel cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. It's got the black Z28 striping. It's got the black vinyl top. Killer car. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Again, not a whole lot of blemishes or anything like that you can pick at. There's a couple, but very, very nice car. Really hits the road nice too. These Camaros, if you've driven them, they kind of rattle a lot. They're just kind of all over the road sometimes. Not this one. This one's nice and tight. Glass is nice. The top's in great shape. Marks there on your glass. Just a good, solid, straight old car, guys. Again, rear spoiler, front spoiler. I didn't see where they had replaced any panels, so I think it's an original panel car. It's got 15-inch Cragar SS's with the Firestone Indy 500s all the way around it. See the bumper guards. Nice and clean underneath, man. The floors are nice and clean. It's just a nice car. Love the Cragars on it. Those are 255/60s in the rear. It's got the meats on the rear, which I like. Does have front disc brakes. Again, all the Z28 trim and badging. 350 cubic inch engine. It's not a matching numbers car or anything like that. 350 trans. Got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Real nice Weiand aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, and air conditioning. Yes, it blows cold. Accel HEI distributor in there. Stock exhaust manifolds. And detailed up nice. Slick paint. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Door handles have definitely been replaced. New door rubbers. I see my guys missed a little wax here, but again, it's got the stock interior in it, all black vinyl interior, new sill plates, new carpet, bucket seats with the console, factory dash, headliner's nice, 47,426. I'm sure that's 147, but like you said, there's just a couple thousand miles on it. It's got the aftermarket Sunpro gauges, aftermarket Kenwood radio, good sounding dual exhaust, a 10-bolt rear end, no big gear like a 323, nothing, dust there, no big gear or anything. Sorry, boys missed a little stone pit there. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Good solid old car though. Yeah, nice and clean underneath. Floors are nice and clean. Car's got a great look. Yeah, it's just a little wax in here, guys. The seats are nice. They've definitely been redone. Like I say, this car is just well maintained. Dash pad's nice. Just a good car. Camaro, man. These cars are so popular. Oh, you know what? I turned the it off. Well, hold on. There it goes. There it went. There it goes. You guys can hear the AC kick down. Gauges are functional. Fuel gauge works. The only one down there that's not working, you can see it's holding good oil pressure. They don't have the volt meter hooked up. Hit your brakes. Give a little rev on. Radio works, turn that up a little bit so they can hear it.
Gas prices and housing
works. Like I say, your gauges are functional there. Doors open and close, nice wipers. Don't think the horn's working. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.